Hola, Senor Jordan here. In this video, we're going to talk about changing irregular verbs into the conditional. The conditional is a tense or mood used to talk about things that would happen. Some examples are
Llevaría. Veríamos. Te irías.
to form the conditional of AR verbs as well as many ER and IR verbs, we'll take the verb, leave everything including the R on the end, and add the following endings. Notice that the R is there in the boxes to remind us that we'll leave the R on the end of the verb, plus add the additional letters. Of course, as always, there are a few irregular verbs that don't follow the formula. The endings will be the same, but the first part will be used instead of the infinitive form of the verb. These will be the same irregulars as in the future tense. Here are some common ER verbs that do this.
Caber. Haber. Hacer. Poder. Poner. Querer. Saber. Tener. Valer.
And here are some common IR verbs that do this.
Decir. Salir. Venir.
Now let's see how the verb
Poder.
will change to say different people would be able.
Podría. Podrías. Podría. Podríamos. Podríais. Podrían.
Now let's see how the verb
Salir.
will change to say different people would leave.
Saldría. Saldrías. Saldría. Saldríamos. Saldríais. Saldrían.
Now let's see how the verb
Hacerse.
will change to say different people would become.
Me haría. Te harías. Se haría. Nos haríamos. Los haríais. Se harían.
To review, there are some irregular verbs that will change differently from the formula in the conditional. Here are those verbs again, and their changed form that goes along with the endings. And here are some of those verbs in full sentences in the conditional. Something you'll notice is that many of these have if clauses with the word
Sí.
and then the past subjunctive to say if something were to happen or were to be true.
Valdría la pena comprarlo. Harían un pastel si tuvieran harina. Cabría más comida en el refrigerador si sacaras algo. ¿Me dirías la verdad si te preguntara? Habría más tiempo si empezáramos temprano. ¿Saldrías a cenar si tuvieras dinero? Tendría un gato si no fuera alérgico. Podríamos ir al cine si no estuviera cerrado. Se pondrían nerviosas si estuvieran allí. Pondría la mesa si me ayudaran.
I hope you liked this video. If it was helpful, please like it, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with others who could benefit. Also, as an extra challenge, try to write a sentence in the comments section in the conditional with an irregular verb. Thanks for watching. Gracias.